Welcome back, folks, here to our post-game show right here on PlayOnSports.com, your destination for high school sports. Our player of the game interview, our player of the game tonight's game, Emily Potts, comes away with 11 points tonight. They are the Division 6, the Lady Vikings are the Division 6 Sac Joaquin section girls champions. And I just want to ask you, first off, you were on the squad last year to get the school's first section title. What's it feel like to repeat now?
It just feels amazing, like that we have a lot of seniors that came back from like last year, the ones that were juniors, but and it just feels really great that to have a lot of the same players, and we all just have such a passion for basketball, and it just feels amazing to come back and repeat, which is really difficult to do.
You guys, you had a 15-point halftime lead, slipped away. The Lions had done a good job of, coming back and tying that in the fourth quarter. So I just want to ask, how did you guys maintain your composure once that happened?
We've had a lot of practice with that. We've come back from games before, and we've had a lot of close games. But we just know that if we play our game, that we could do this, and that we just had to step up and just play how we knew how to play with more intensity.
You were, you were up and down the court, everywhere on the court, really on the floor. Probably one of the keys there, one of the glues there. We've got a couple of players. I believe it was Molly Huffman that was the leading scorer on the team tonight. But you really stepped it up and really played, tight defense. Talk about, what do you think what was the key for you guys here tonight to come away with the win?
I honestly, it's just passion. We all just love the game of basketball. We just have such a passion for it. And when we go out and practice, we try hard. We push ourselves to play, and we all just love it so much. And we just we've been working for this like the whole season, and we knew we wanted this last year after we won sections again. And we just wanted to step out on this court and glorify God and just play the best of our ability and just come out with how we know how to play.
You're a senior, so obviously no better way for you to go out on top, is there?
No, this is amazing. It feels amazing, especially since I love my school, and I know all the seniors feel the same way, and it feels great to leave victory and graduate this way.
Right. Well, congratulations. How do you? Last question I want to ask: how are you going to go ahead and celebrate tonight?
I think we're all going to go out and eat. That's our favorite thing.
All right. Anything particular? Anything special?
I'm not sure yet. As long as it's good food, we'll be pretty good.
All right. Well, I'm sure you did work up an appetite. You earned it. You deserved it. So I want to say congratulations.
Thank you so much.
And good luck to you for the rest of the way, after this, and into your future endeavors. So I want to thank Emily Potts here of the Victorious Victory Christian Vikings. They are your 2012-2013 Division 6 Sac Joaquin Section Girls Champions. Make sure you stay tuned right here. We've got some more coming up right here on your destination for high school sports, PlayOnSports.com.